What if I told you that how you dress can completely change the way you see yourself and how others see you? The way you choose to show up every day, the clothes that you wear, that's the story you're telling before you say a word, before you even open your mouth. Now, the blunt truth, dressing well should never be negotiable. I mean, never ever be negotiable. But then, why is it so hard for many to get it right? Let's talk about how you can make this your reality every single day. Think about this for a second. When was the last time you felt completely confident about what you were wearing? And I mean, the kind of confidence that doesn't waver at the first compliment that you get, but the confidence that stands firm in who you are. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that you're going to feel that unstoppable every time you step out of the door. Your clothes speak before you do. They reflect your mood, they reflect your energy, your standards, and yes, even your mindset. So why leave it to chance when you have the ability to control how you show up? And not just show up, girlfriend, show up effortlessly. I know some of you are probably thinking, but dressing well is hard. You're right. It takes time, it takes effort, and I mean conscious effort. And yes, let's be real, it takes money too. It requires money. And I know sometimes it can be like a struggle, especially when life gets busy. You might even feel like you don't have the time to experiment with outfits or keep up with trends. But here's the thing, dressing well isn't about being a slave to fast fashion or keeping up with trends. It's about building a wardrobe that works for you, not against you. It's about building timeless pieces, investing in timeless pieces that transcends fleeting styles. So, where do you start? First, let's talk about the power of having timeless staples in your wardrobe. Yes, I know you have heard this countless times. This is because this is the foundation of dressing well. Having these pieces, having these timeless staples can work harder for you, will work better for you than any trendy piece ever could. I mean, these staples, these pieces are simple, classic, versatile, and the best part, they never go out of style. I'm talking about a perfectly tailored blazer, crisp white shirts, slim cut jeans, straight cut jeans, boyfriend jeans, straight leg pants, classic trench coats, black ankle boots, pumps, heels in neutral colors, a well-fitted dress that flatters your body shape. When you have these staples, these pieces in your wardrobe, you can create endless combinations of outfits without breaking the bank or without spending hours trying on different outfits. Start by investing in these key pieces, and trust me, they will pay off because they make it easy for you to be stylish no matter where you're going. And dressing well doesn't have to be overwhelming when you know what you need. Now, you need to forget what social media says is trending. Take time to discover your personal style. Your style should speak to who you are and not who anyone else needs you or wants you to be. Now, do you lean towards the edgy style, minimalist, classic, or the feminine chic style? Understand the styles that reflect you and embrace them unapologetically. One important thing to remember is that curating your wardrobe is an ongoing process. Yeah? So every time you buy something new, ask yourself, does this match my style? Does this add value to my wardrobe? Can you pair this in several ways? Yeah, and also avoid impulse buying because we both know that those items usually collect dust in your closet. Will end up collecting dust in your closet. Now let's talk about why quality over quantity matters. The myth of more is more needs to end. Trust me, having a closet full of clothes you never wear is the least satisfying thing. What if you had fewer pieces and each one made you feel amazing? Yeah. When you choose quality over quantity, you're choosing pieces that last. You're choosing pieces that endures. Pieces that still look good after multiple washes, after all day wear. Remember this, it's not about having a closet full of clothes or jam packed with clothes or having a lot. It's about having pieces, fewer pieces that works for you, that truly reflect who you are. Less clutter, less confusion, and more focus on what you truly love. When you have fewer pieces that really works for you, you get fewer pieces that are well made, that are well tailored, that fit perfectly. You spend less and get more style. It's the key to a minimalist or fully functional wardrobe. So, how do you incorporate dressing well in your routine? How do you get to this place where dressing well becomes a natural part of your routine? It all starts with a wardrobe audit. Be honest with yourself. Do you even wear half of the clothes in your closet? Because we all accumulate items over the years, but how many truly serve us? I bet it's less than half. Now, here's what to do. Take a deep dive, a thorough dive into your wardrobe and analyze, evaluate the fit and function of each piece. Now, ask yourself, does this align with my personal style? Does this reflect who I am? Does this fit properly? Does this make me feel like a powerhouse? For each piece that doesn't pass this simple test, girlfriend, It's time to let them go. Stop ordering outfits. Building a wardrobe that reflects who you are, that makes you feel confident, begins with you getting rid of things, items that no longer serve you, that doesn't serve you, that doesn't, you know, elevate you. Now, you need to work with what you own. Start to work with what you own. Replace old with valuable. Now, creating is a skill that requires practice. So take it step by step. Let's shift gear a little bit. Let's get into creating a dressing well mindset. You've got the style. You've got the clothes. What about your mindset? What do you need mentally to sustain dressing well? Confidence plays a huge role in your wardrobe choices. When you dress well, it shows that you respect yourself. Now, you don't need to overthink it. Get to know what you feel good in. The people who dress well don't just dress for the occasion, they dress for themselves. Their outfits, their dressing, their clothes reflect who they are. And you see that energy, it radiates everywhere. Now, let this be you. Let every outfit that you wear, own it and let it speak volumes without you even saying a word. One thing not many people focus on but should is your wardrobe's ability to adapt. When you dress well, you need to keep in mind that your wardrobe should flex with your lifestyle. Are you often in business meetings? Are you the creative at heart with a unique flair? Your wardrobe needs to serve the different sides of you. Now, before you go, I've got one more thing for you. Don't underestimate the power of details. A well chosen accessory, a flattering color, a tailored it's these little things that make a huge difference. Don't value your shoes, your bags, or a lip color that instantly lifts your entire vibe. Now that you know how to make dressing really a priority, I want you to promise me one thing. Stop letting your wardrobe hang there just doing nothing. It's time for your style to speak up for you. If you like this, trust me, you want to keep up with everything that I share on fashion, confidence, and the way you show up in the world. So do well to subscribe, join the family, like this video, and share to someone that needs to hear this. Until next time, take good care of yourself and remember to own your style and own your power. Bye.